Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best long-flight drone is probably one of the most exciting gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering unparalleled aerial perspectives and capabilities. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or someone looking to explore new horizons, the extended flight times of these drones open up a world of possibilities, allowing for more extensive shooting sessions and exploration without the constant worry of battery depletion. Number 5. Holystone HS724K UHD GPS Drone. This drone features an optimized full HD camera with a shock absorption holder. It shoots high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. You can see the world from different angles with its adjustable lens. Never worry about losing the drone. It automatically returns when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It can also follow you, fly along a set path, or circle a point, letting you focus on your photography. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get a total of 52 minutes of flight time. The brushless motors provide a quieter flight with lower power consumption. Its foldable design makes it easy to take outdoors. Equipped with multiple sensors, it guarantees stable hovering and high-quality pictures. Features like one-key start-stop and altitude hold make it simple to control, even for beginners. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers a control range of up to 3,000 feet. The LED screen displays battery level and GPS signal. It also includes a button for the drone light and a right-hand throttle mode. What we like. This drone boasts an impressive 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, allowing for extended aerial adventures. Its 4K UHD camera captures stunning visuals, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. If you're looking for a drone that prioritizes long flight duration and high-quality video, you should consider this one, ideal for those who want to maximize their time in the air. What people say. It had all the basic features I expect in a GPS drone, such as one-button return to home, RTH, lost signal RTH, and low battery RTH. Low wind, medium wind, 8 to 10 miles per hour gusts, and it holds position pretty rock steady. Packaging and ease of assembly, excellent packaging in the included case, and literally no assembly. It's basically ready to fly out of the box with the following steps. 1. Open the box. It comes with drone, case, dual USB-C charger. Note it charges 1 battery at a time, screwdriver, spare propellers, USB-C cable. 2. Charge the battery and insert 2 AA batteries into the controller. 3. Download the Ophelia GPS app. 4. Obtain your FAA recreational drone license. At this time it is $5 for a 3-year license, and mark your drone with your FAA number in permanent ink or by permanent sticker. Once the battery is done charging, you are ready to launch. Flight and battery time. From experience, read the manual and always follow the pre-flight steps below before every flight. 1. Pair the drone and controller. 2. Perform compass calibration. 3. Perform gyro calibration, both sticks down and left at the same time. See troubleshooting in the manual. 4. Get 10 plus satellites locked in before launch, takes about 1 minute. Launching is simple after following the above steps. Hit the unlock button and either left stick up or use one button. Take off and you're flying. I have had this drone up to the factory ceiling of 116 meters, 380 feet, every flight with 0 issues except for the FPV. This is believed is 100% due to the placement of the phone holder being above the antenna, which in my estimation is the drone's only drawback, as it seems to interfere with the FPV or the controller. Note that this is not a huge issue, since as recreational flyers you fly line of sight unless you have a spotter, but this is the reason for the drop from 5 to 4 stars. Holystone, you need to employ a similar setup as other controllers you have with the phone at the bottom. In the Ophelia app you can employ the orbit point of interest function, fly a preset path, or follow me. All work well for a drone at this price point. 1-button RTH puts the drone either right on my drone pad or with a foot or 2 of the edge. As for flight time, I have gotten 23 to 26 minutes every flight from the 1st to the 30th with no change in flight time. I would however get a second battery now that they are available, plus with the battery you get a nice bag to utilize with them. Camera. The camera works as expected for a drone at this price point. It has nice video still resolution and full motion up and down. Bottom line, this is a great beginner drone that would be hard to lose short of human error and works better than expected at the price. Number 4. Holystone HS720E 4K Drone. The Holystone HS720E drone meets FAA requirements. You can easily ensure compliance by obtaining the remote ID module. Contact Holystone customer support for any questions about the module. This drone features a 4K camera with electric image stabilization, ensuring clear videos. The advanced Sony sensor elevates image quality, providing unmatched performance compared to others. Enjoy stable flights with the air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS and auto return to home, you can explore confidently, knowing it will always return safely. The Fly More kit provides a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time flying and less time charging. A carrying bag is also included for easy transport and storage. Enhance your videography with flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. Watch it effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Equipped with brushless motors, this drone ensures powerful and stable flights with minimal noise. Experience the thrill of soaring without distractions, while also benefiting from extended motor lifespan and reduced maintenance. What we like. Featuring a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor, this drone ensures crystal clear videos. With a total flight time of 46 minutes, you'll have ample time to capture your shots. If you are looking for a drone with superior image stabilization and extended flight, this is the one for you, perfect for capturing smooth, professional quality footage. What people say. The HS720E has a 4K UHD camera. There are plenty of those available in this price range. Many of them take 4K photos, but only 2K or 1080p video. The HS720E does video at 4K, UHD, with 30 frames per second, or 1080p, HD, at 60 frames per second, which will allow you to produce HD slow-motion video if that's what you want. The HS720E camera uses Sony image sensors and has electronic image stabilization. Holystone has increased the microSD card capacity from 32 gigabits on their HS720 to 128 gigabits on the 720E. Number 3. Holystone HS900 4K Drone. Introducing the Holystone HS900, a drone that weighs only 249 grams, eliminating the need for FAA registration. This lightweight design ensures you can enjoy the thrill of flying with complete freedom. Equipped with a Sony 2.3-foot CMOS sensor and a 48MP 4K camera, this drone captures your world in remarkable detail. It allows you to shoot 4K 30fps or 1080p 60fps videos, ensuring professional quality footage. The HS900 features a 3-axis brushless gimbal, providing smooth and steady filming even in winds up to 38 km per hour. This ensures your shots remain stable and professional looking. With the advanced control system, no complex preparation is needed. You can effortlessly control the drone's movements with simple operations, enjoying a breathtaking perspective. Even beginners can fly confidently and with ease. The Sirius app offers easy-to-use filming templates for quick shots. This allows the drone to automatically fly and record, generating professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. The HS900 has a max transmission range of 20,000 feet, allowing you to fly further and capture more. The upgraded control system offers enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibility. The enhanced GPS positioning system ensures accurate visual tracking and a return home feature. This allows the drone to return to its takeoff point with simplified operations, ensuring steady and crystal clear aerial shots. What we like. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and capable of capturing 8K photos, this drone delivers exceptional image quality. The 20,000 feet transmission range allows for expansive exploration. If you like capturing high-resolution photos and videos from a distance, this drone is the perfect choice, ideal for those seeking professional-grade aerial photography capabilities. What people say. The drone has an impressive flight time. The camera quality is excellent. The drone is very stable in the air. Number 2. Holystone HS175D 4K GPS Drone. This drone features a 4K camera with a wide-angle lens and adjustable settings, allowing you to capture high-resolution photos and videos. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth and stable video transmission, even in challenging conditions. With GPS assistance, the drone can automatically return home if it loses signal, flies out of range, or has low battery. You can fly with confidence knowing that it will return safely. The drone comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of flight time. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it easy to fly, even for beginners. It includes a carrying case and a foldable design for easy storage and transport. Weighing under 250 g, it may not require FAA registration, making it convenient for travel. This drone can follow you automatically, fly along a preset path, or circle a point of interest. It can also take photos or videos when you pose to the camera, making your flight experience more enjoyable. What we like. With a 4K ultra-clear camera and a flight time of 46 minutes, this drone offers both stunning visuals and extended airtime. The GPS auto-return feature adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. If you have a need for a reliable and easy-to-use drone with excellent camera quality, this is the one for you, perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. What people say. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. Battery life has been about 20 minutes, and the automatic return home on a low battery is a very good included feature. The 175D has two speeds. One is for beginners like me, which is at 50%, and the other is for experienced operators at 100%. Again, I had no idea how to fly a drone, but by following the directions it made it very easy. The Holy Stone has built-in controls that really help someone like me. It has auto takeoff and auto landing. It has a return to home to bring the drone back and land it. This is really good. If it should get away from you, it will bring the drone back to where it took off. Number 1. Holy Stone HS440 drone with 1080p camera. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens, adjustable up to 90 degrees. It allows you to capture breathtaking aerial scenery and record every special moment from above. Whether it's a beach or a family gathering, it can handle it all. With the modular battery, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture more footage. It ensures you have plenty of time to enjoy your flight. This drone is small but mighty, with a foldable frame and a carrying case. It provides complete freedom wherever you want to create. It's easy to take with you wherever you go. The drone is designed for easy use with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. One-key high-speed rotation adds more fun to your flight. The sky is the limit with this drone. It's a must-have for beginners with intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold. The user-friendly features and long flight time make it perfect for practice. It's designed to make your first flight a success. What we like. This drone features a 1080p HD camera and a foldable design for easy portability. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes, it offers a good balance of features. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use and portable drone, this is the one for you, perfect for capturing memories on the go. What people say. The drone arrived quickly and is packaged in its case, which is great and has a really high-quality zipper and pretty tough foam. Everything you get is inside with separate compartments for the drone, both batteries, and the controller. Camera has a 90 degrees vertical pivot that works smoothly and also allows for cool shots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.